how are you all? Welcome to mathematics class of standard 5th. Today we are going to study chapter number 12 and the name of chapter is smart charts. We will start studying from page number 159. The topic is Chi Chi Meow Meow. Okay, Yamini did a project animals and birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. She used tally marks to record each answer. For example, if someone said, can she put one line in front of the cats? When someone said cat, again she put a line. So this will become, these two lines will become, means two cats, means this box type, means five cats. In all, 24 children said cat was their favorite animal. Help Yamini to complete this table. Okay, means each line indicates about each tally marks. Okay, one line, one tally marks. Okay, you can see over here for the one box, it means one complete this box. It means 5 lines. So 5, 10, 50, 20 and this 4 lines, it means 24. Okay, so you have to complete this all table. In this box, how many lines? 5 lines are there. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and this 2 lines only, it means 32. Okay, so you can see over here table is given, in answer is there 32. Again, now for rabbits you can see it is 5 and 5 means 10. It means rabbit 10. Now cows you can see 5, 10, 15, 20 and this 2, it means 22. This is 5 and 2, 3 means 8. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10 and 15. Okay, so like this you can complete using tally mark, you can complete. Look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. How many children did Yamini talk to? Means you have to add all this 24 plus 32 plus 10 plus 22 plus 8 plus 20 plus 15. So answer is Yamini talked with 131 children. Which is the most favorite pet animal in the table? Dog is the most favorite pet animal in his table. Which is the most favorite because which is have the highest number, you can see dogs have the highest number, that is 32. So dogs is the most favorite animal. Which pet will you like to have? What will you name it? Which other animals can be kept at home? Discuss. I would like to have a dog. I will name it Brownie. The other animal that can be kept at home are cat, rabbits, parrots, etc. You can write here your own answer. Okay. Page 161, marking tally boards on the road. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made tally mark for each vehicle. This helped her counting quickly the total number of vehicles in the group. So you can see for the cycle how many tally marks are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and this 3 means 23. For the cycle 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 3 means 28. So for the cycle it is 28. For car you can see 5, 10 and these 2 lines means 12. Okay, like this for auto rickshaw and for all the vehicles we can make easily all the tally marks. So how many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road in half an hour? Sumita saw 103 vehicles in half an hour. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks, true or false? So you can see auto rickshaw is at 18 and auto rickshaw are thrice the number of trucks is 6. So auto rickshaw 18, it is not thrice. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18. Okay, so auto rickshaws are not the thrice, it is twice, it means 2 times. If it will be thrice, it means 6, 6, 6, like this 3 times. Mark tally mark for 7 buses and 2 more trucks. For 7 buses, bus total how many are there? 15 are there. Okay, so we want 7 more buses. Okay, so this will be 5 and this 2 lines means 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So these are the tally mark for 2 more trucks that you have to make by yourself. Page number 162. Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected their answer and made a table. So, help most in housework and number of children. Going to market, 47 children help. Washing utensils, 15 children helps. Washing clothes, 3 children helps. Making or serving food, 25 children help. Cleaning the house, 10 children help. Now you can fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. Look and find out children who help in making or serving food. 1/3 of the total children, half of the total children, 1/4 of the total children. You can make the table like this. Okay, cleaning the house, only 10 are there. So like this you can washing utensils, 15 are there. So most are there to helping to go in the market. So in chart most area will be given to going to the market. Okay, very less will be given to making the food like this. So 1/4 of the total children are helping in washing. 1/4 of the total children, okay, making or serving food. Okay, making or serving food, you can see 1/4 means in the fourth part of the circle. ये पूरे सर्कल का फोर्थ पार्ट है, मतलब कि ऐसे 3 और बना दे तो पूरा सर्कल बन सकता है. तो फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द टोटल चिल्ड्रन आर मेकिंग एंड सर्विंग food. Practice time. After school, ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after the school. Okay, someone like watching TV, some like playing football, some like reading storybooks. Okay, like this, or you can write the number of students also. Hot and cold. Have you seen weather report in TV or in a newspaper? There are 2 bar charts. They show the highest temperature in 4 cities in 2 different ways. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Okay, so 1st June you can see Delhi में कितना temperature था 33, शिमला में 22, and Bangalore it was 28, and Jaisalmer it was 38. And 1st December you can see the difference in temperature. Yes, I have seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper. From the bar chart, which city is hottest on 1st June? मतलब 1st June में सबसे ज़्यादा hot कौन सा था? तो 38 डिग्री वाला. You can see the hottest is Jaisalmer. So Jaisalmer is hottest on 1st June. Which city is coldest on 1st December? Coldest means the lowest temperature. So you can see सबसे low temperature on 1st December is of Shimla. So Shimla is coldest on 1st December. Which city shows little change in temperature on 2 days, 1st June and 1 December? Bangalore shows little change in the temperature in those 2 days, that is lowest change 28 and 24. Okay, you can see Bangalore on 1st June it was 28 and 1st December it was 24. Means it's not more change, मतलब ज़्यादा change नहीं, बाकी सब में बहुत ज़्यादा है. For example, दिल्ली 33, 23. Shimla 22 and 10. Okay, for Jaisalmer 38 and 25. Only Bangalore is the one, it's not more change. Either it is 28 and here it is 24. Only 4 degrees Celsius change. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1718. At that time there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits, so the rabbits began to multiply at a very fast rate. Imagine what they do to the crops. The table shows the rabbits grew every year. मतलब कि rabbits कितने होते थे? Start 10 rabbits से हुआ. First year it was 18, second year 32, third year 50. Like this, increasing every year. After each year the number of rabbit was a little less than double of the rabbit in the last year. Double the number in the last year, 8 more than double. Okay, मतलब कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 प्लस 10 का डबल क्या है 20, तो 20 से थोड़ा लेस है, मीन्स इट इज़ लिटिल लेस देन डबल. So first option will be correct, a little less than double the rabbits in the last year. Okay, means it is not exactly double, little less than the double. At the end of year 6, the number of rabbit was close to, okay, you can see how much it will be more. 108 plus 108, it will be less than 200, and the sixth year it will be less than 400, so it will be nearby 400. आफ्टर विच ईयर डिड द नंबर ऑफ रैबिट क्रॉसेस 1000, मतलब कि कौन से ईयर के बाद आफ्टर द ईयर 1788 द नंबर ऑफ रैबिट्स विल क्रॉस टू 1000. The page number 167, 168, family tree. Madhav went to wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there, but he did not know everyone. He met his grandmother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. He found that her mother is still alive and is more than 100 years old. Madhav got confused. He couldn't imagine his mother's grandmother's, so Madhav's mother made a family tree for him. Okay, so this is the one family tree. This is Madhav, this is the father and mother of Madhav. The mother, ये माधव की मदर के मम्मी पापा है, जो है मतलब माधव की मम्मी का नाम है शोभना. शोभना के मम्मी फादर और मदर है. अब उसके मम्मी पापा के भी मम्मी पापा, यानी कि शोभना की ये शोभना के मदर है और ये शोभना के शोभना के फादर है. अब शोभना की मम्मी के मम्मी पापा, मतलब कि माधव के नाना नानी, इट मीन्स इट इज़ नाना नानी. दिस इज़ दादा दादी ऑफ द माधव. और उसके मम्मी पापा और उसके मम्मी पापा दोनों के मम्मी पापा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ 5 जनरेशन एक साथ दिखाई गई है. Madhav's mother helped him understand her family with the help of his drawing. मतलब कि इसकी मम्मी ने उसको समझाया कि उसकी मम्मी की फैमिली कैसे है, कि उसकी ये मम्मी है, उसके मम्मी पापा, उसकी मम्मी के मम्मी पापा, उसके पापा के मम्मी पापा, फिर उसके दादा के मतलब मम्मी पापा, दादी के मम्मी पापा, नाना के मम्मी पापा और नानी के भी मम्मी पापा, सब कुछ उसने एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके, so how many grandparents in all does Shobna have? Shobna has 4 grandparents. Okay, this is after Shobna, this is first, second, okay, third and fourth generation. How many great grandparents in all does Madhav है? great grand मतलब कि grandparents के भी grandparents, तो total 8 great grandparents the Madhav है. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. These are great grandparents. These are the great grandparents. These are great grandparents. Okay, how many elders you will see in the 7th generation of his family? So 32 elders will be seen in the 7th generation of his family. 6th generation is 16, so 7th generation it will become 32. It means double, because the parents are in the pair, so 2 times. If he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he find 128 elders? तो 128 elders उसे कहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे? तो फिर 6th जनरेशन में 32 है, सॉरी 7th जनरेशन में 32 है, तो 8th जनरेशन में 64 हो गए, और 9th जनरेशन में 128 हो गए, बिकॉज 32 इंटू 2 64 एंड 64 इंटू 2 इज़ 128. Growth chart of a plant. Amit showed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 cm in first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see the left side scale, that is 1.4 cm high. Okay, so in 0 day the length of plant is 0. On the 4th day it is 1.4, 8th day it is 5.3, 12th day 9.5, and 16th day 10.5, 20th day 10.9. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has marked the dots correctly. Okay, so this is the chart. From the growth chart, between which day the length of the plant changed the most? मतलब कि कब ज़्यादा चेंज होगी? ओके, दिस इज़ बिटवीन 0 to 4, or this much is the gap, this is more the gap. More change you can find, it is between 8 to 12, बिटवीन 8 to 12 में ज़्यादा चेंज है बिकॉज 8 यहाँ पर और 12 यहाँ पर. बिटवीन 8 and 12 days यू कैन फाइंड मोर चेंज. 0 to 4 में इतना छोटा सा चेंज है, 4 to 8 में दिस मच चेंज, बट 8 to 12 में दिस इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग चेंज यू कैन सी. What could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess. Okay, on the 14th day. This is 12th day, this will be 13th day, this will be the 14th day. 14th day पर कितना change होगा? You can see over here like this. Okay, so it will nearby 10, so it means 9.9 centimeter. Will the plant keep growing all the time? What will be its length on the 100th day? Make a guess. Now I think its length would be about 17 to 18 centimeter on the 100th day. Okay, if we will go, this is 20 and more days if we will go apart, 17 to 18 centimeter, it will reach up to 17 to 18 centimeter because this is only guess which you can make. It will be nearby 17 to 18 centimeter on the 100th day. Okay, so here we end our chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter. In this chapter we have studied using different kind of charts, and also we have seen how to make the tally mark. This is very easy chapter. By using this, how many lines are there in this figure, by that you can easily come to know the tally mark. For example, in this box 5 lines, so 5 like this, you can easily make the tally marks for all the charts. So this is the chapter which we have seen, smart charts. In this we have seen all kind of charts and tally marks. Thank you for listening the class. Thank you.